Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. The third quadratic equation given here is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation to find the two roots using method of completing the square. So again, same thing, just compare the given equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and make the coefficient of x square here as 1. So to do so, just divide the given quadratic equation wholly divided by the coefficient of x square. So here it is 4. So take the equation and entirely divide it by 4. So I'll get it x square plus root 3 by x, root 3x plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Now, step 2, compare this with the standard form of either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square depending upon the sign here. So, I have plus sign here. So, I'll take it a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So, on comparing, I'll get x is equal to a. Now, 2ab is equal to what? Root 3x. So, as a is equal to x here, so b value should be root 3 by 2. And what is b square? B square is root 3 by 2 whole square. So 3 by 4. So luckily whatever the third constant value that they are giving is b square only. So now no need to add and subtract that root 3 by 2 whole square, that is plus b square minus b square, no need to add because the given constant term is matching with the b square term. So this itself is in that form of a plus b whole square. So write it in the form of a plus b whole square here. So that is x plus root 3 by 2 whole square, isn't it? So this is nothing but what? Is equal to 0, right? Just expand and check it out whether it is looking like this or not. X square plus 2 into x into root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 4 is equal to 0. 2 will get cancelled, right? So this is in the form of the equation that we got in the first step itself, right? So now x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. Step 4, find the value of x. Simply x is equal to, so x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 0 means what? X plus root 3 by 2 also equal to 0. X square is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So why we are getting only one value? Right? So take other value also minus root 3 by 2 only, because you can equate it two times, that is x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0 and x plus root 3 by 2 is equal to 0 because you have square, right? Suppose say x square is equal to 0 means x into x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So two times you have to take. So x is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. That means the two roots are equal. Same roots we are getting for the given quadratic equation. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.